If you've ever wanted your WordPress site to show different content based on categories like blog posts, products, or custom fields, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to add dynamic content by category in just a few easy steps. So first, go ahead and open WordPress and then open the post tab and then click on categories under it. Now, once you're in this page, go ahead and add the categories that you want to add. Just make sure your categories are set up. So after you set up your category, click on that add category button to add this. So you can also set the parent category of your category and incorporate a description. So once you have added that, go ahead and head over into the page where you want to add that dynamic content category. So click on pages at the left side of your screen, and that will take you into the pages tab where you'll find all of the pages that you've created for your WordPress website. Open the page where you want to add it, and then once you're on the page, go ahead and look for an area where you want to place it. So I'll simply remove all of this first since I don't want to add this anymore. Click on that plus button at the top left of your screen to look for elements on WordPress, and then search for post. And then in here, you'll be able to find all of the elements that you can use. Given that your post has already a dynamic content category, you can go ahead and add that into your canvas. So after adding that, you can set the categories that will only show for this. And that is how you can basically add dynamic content category WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.